Our system provides a unique serial number code assigned for identification of single units. Click the File Maintenance menu, Libraries, then click the serial number file. To add a serial number, press F3 for product list. Enter the product you want to have a serial number, then click OK. Click the Add button or press A. Enter the unique serial number of a product, then click the Save button or press Enter to save. Each product can add a different serial number. Just press Enter or click the Add button, enter the serial number, then click the Save button or press Enter to save. To make changes of a serial number, press F11 or F12 to choose from a serial number you want to edit. Click the Edit button or press E. You can now change the serial number, then click the Save button or press Enter to save. If the serial number of a product is long, click the Find button or press F. Press Enter to show the list of records, then OK. To show the list of a serial number, click the List button or press L, then OK. To delete, press F11 or F12 to choose you want to delete, then press D, then Y. To print, just click the Print button, then click the Print Image.